Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change currency on Wix. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can head over to your Wix dashboard, and then from in here, you should be able to see the settings option. So click on settings right here, and then from in there, you should be able to see this language and region. So click on this language and region, and then from in here, you can just scroll down, and in here, you can see your currency. So you can just click on this if you want to change it, and then change it to the currency that you desire. As of right now, I'm on the Philippine peso. If I want to change it into the US dollars, you can just scroll down and search in here for United States dollar, which is this. So click on this, then click on got it. After that, click on save right here in order to save your changes. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!